Hey everyone, Charlie Loves Cake here with my BFF Charlie Coke Zero and our magical unicorn. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to drop us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell notification button so you can stay up to date with all our newest gaming videos and adventures. So without further ado, let's get into today's video.
Hey, what's up everybody? So the van is here. We're ready to take off. Just getting all the last minute stuff, and then we'll be on our way. What's up? Here's our van, ready to go. Charlie, you ready? Yeah. All right. Good morning. What's up?
80,000 impressions later.
6.5 hours later.
Whoa! We'll see you guys. We're in this place is called Patungan Beach. It's in Ternate Cavite. And here we go. And we're off! What's up? Hey, so what's up YouTube? This is Patungan Beach. We brought our own tent, as you can see. Put some sarongs in the back for a little ambiance. It's pretty cool. We did end up getting a cottage in the back. It's not really a resort. It's kind of like just a beach, and the people who live here have like little cottages set up like right there, and you can rent the cottages. So the cottages are like $2,500 for the day, and then you can kind of just chill on the beach. So we have the tent set up just for us to like hang out on the beach, and then the cottage in the back there, as you can see, they have a little. They gave us a free barbecue, and they didn't give it to us, but you can. It's like a free use of the barbecue, and it's got a little room in the back with a little door, with like with a mattress and stuff. So it's pretty cool. $2,500. It's not bad, and you get to play on the beach all day, so it's all good. Peace.
Okay guys, yung mga kalaban namin, very excited sila. Ayaw na nilang umalis ng kubo namin, ng sweet. Wow.
Having fun?
Yeah, how much have you been? I'm having fun.
Having fun?
Yeah. How much hours have you been on the street?
Oh, hey, by the way, just a word of advice, man. Don't. I found the guy who helped us out with this place. I found him on Facebook, and like it's like $2,500 no matter what, if you come through here or not. If you decide to come here, my suggestion is come here. We kind of got into a little argument with the guy because he promised us the tent on the beach front, and then when we got here, he said it was already taken. So we decided to move to a different resort or a different cottage down the road over there. Like, where's that place? Somewhere over here with like green stuff. Anyway, when we decided to move, the dude got all pissed off, and you know, it wasn't like, it kind of like ruined the mood for the morning. And so my suggestion is, if you do come down here, just like, you know, stop by these cottages. You can probably figure it out up the top of the road, because when you get here, there's a stop at the top of the road. So talk to some people up there. You don't need a broker for these things. Just, you know, grab a ride. Boats, you can take a boat. It's like 50 pesos per head. It'll take you from like where the road ends to the beach. Or you can take a tricycle, so you can kind of figure it out. We took a tricycle last time we came here fishing. The tricycle ride, it's really bumpy. Like, it's really bumpy. So honestly, for 50 per head, it's actually not bad to take a boat. The tricycle, like last time, they charged us 200 one way, so it was still kind of steep. You know, 200 one way on a tricycle is pretty steep. So yeah. Anyway, so we're all good to go. I just wanted to give you that piece of advice. Like, yeah, if you come down here, don't get a broker. Try to come direct and talk to the people here who own the cottages, because that's going to be your best bet. And by the way, that resort down there at the end with like the green bottles and stuff, with the flags right there. I think that's it right there, right? Yeah, that's it right there. We actually walked in there, and they were willing. We made a deal with them. They said they were willing to give it to us for $2,000. So instead of paying $2,500 over here, we would have paid $2,000 over there. But like I said, we got to an argument with the broker, and he was a little pissed off, and so everyone didn't want to like have a problem with him. People didn't want to have a problem with him, so we ended up staying here for $2,500, and that's that. So it is what it is. Anyway, peace out, YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, don't forget to check out the description below for all the prices and travel tips when you're headed to Patungan Beach. Take care, guys. Hey guys, if you liked today's video, please drop us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell notification button so you can stay up to date with more travel tips and adventures.